Oh my god. Wow. Whoa! Okay, I was not planning to make a vlog and it's raining. Ugh. So, if you guys if you guys can tell with the quality of the video, of the audio, I am actually vlogging on my GoPro because I just got my new camera, my big camera, so I don't really want to make it wet and get it wet. So I'm vlogging on the GoPro. It's the GoPro Hero 6 Black. So I know the hype now is 7, but so I think it's great. So let's have an adventure. What we're gonna do? We're gonna watch a horror movie, a Japanese horror movie. I don't want to watch it. I want to watch Fantastic Beasts.
No.
Why? And also, I don't have battery on here because I haven't been using it and I haven't been charging it. So I don't know how long this is gonna last. So we'll see. Battery's at 82%. 82% is it's done. It's like 5 minutes. I got no more batteries, Aiko. This is gonna be a really short vlog. And the movie starts in 5 minutes. Run, boy, run! The GoPro's dead. And they're so stupid. Why are they so fucking stupid? I hate it when they do this. They don't even know the place. They're going the wrong way. They went ahead of me, and then they don't know the place, and now they're lost. I saw them going the wrong way. Now I gotta fucking pick them up. Movie's already started. Oh, and filming on my phone. I changed my resolution to 1080p because the battery was dying. I was filming on 4K. Should not have been doing that. Where were you guys? You guys were downstairs. It made me run. It made me run. Started. Apparently it's a Japanese horror movie. Yeah, Japanese horror movie. I probably should off this. I'm gonna off this. I should be really quiet. Come on. Okay, I'll see you guys next. Okay, so we just finished the movie. Oh my god. Shit, Japanese got a... Okay, the movie was crazy. I gotta go back to top because rain is crazy. Yeah, it's really... I got... Okay, really cold. got back. Oh, what happened to him? Anyway, we got back. It's still raining outside. It's so bad. Oof, why? Why is it raining? It's supposed to be winter, not... Oh my god, Japanese has to like calm down, like chillax with their horror. They're like crazy about them. It's just like, it's unrealistic. But then it's like... What? What? I don't care if I'm loud. Yeah, Japanese has to like relax with their horror. I mean, I knew what I was getting into because I've seen Japanese horror. It's like Jurong or Ring. Oh my god, they're crazy. They're already crazy right there. But then now it's like, now with the perfection of CG and all, they have to work on their CG, but then how they use it, and then just the story, I mean, it's unrealistic, to be honest. It's all their stories of horror, it's unrealistic. I mean, all horror movies are unrealistic, I think. I hope so. Oh my god, this could be like, true. This could be like, this is, whew, right? Do you felt that? More of like how the people act.
Oh, look at that! Oh my god, that's what happens when you're little.
Okay, we gotta get back home real quick. Anyways, whew, where do I stop? The movie was great. I'm actually, like I said in the first bit of the vlog, like I wasn't really interested in this movie. Like, one, I'm not really a fan of horror. I do love watching horror movies. Apparently it's good for you, it stimulates your bloodstream. So I watched it for my health, to be honest. But yeah, I don't enjoy watching it. It is fun, though, after you watch it. So I guess I'm glad of that. But yeah, anyway, I'm also glad that Shimizu invited me, or invited us to go and watch it, because I probably won't watch it alone or have the intention of watching it. So Shimizu, thank you. I hope you get back safely. Bye bye. And yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog. My GoPro is almost dead. To be honest, I'm actually surprised that it held up till this point. I was using 4K at the first bit, so that's why maybe the battery was dying on me. It was 0%. I'm gonna sign off. The rain is crazy. Yeah. Do you think we're in the shot?